Number 1. Mini Travel First Aid Kit. Small travel mishaps can happen without warning, and searching through a suitcase for basic medical supplies is the last thing anyone wants. Mini Travel First Aid Kit keeps essential emergency items together in a compact package that's easier to carry between destinations. Its portable format makes it convenient for luggage, backpacks, road trips, and everyday outings where space is limited. Keep the kit in an easily accessible pocket, check its contents before leaving, and you'll have basic supplies organized and ready when minor travel problems appear. Number 2. Well-traveled compression packing cubes. Bulky clothing can quickly take over a suitcase, leaving surprisingly little room for everything else you plan to bring. Well-traveled compression packing cubes help reduce the space occupied by packed garments while keeping different items separated. Their compression-focused design can make it easier to organize clothing and maximize available luggage space. Sort outfits into separate cubes, close each one securely, and compress the contents before placing them inside your suitcase, creating a more organized packing system for longer journeys. Number 3. PGRODE Mini Travel Makeup Brushes. Full-sized beauty brushes can take up unnecessary room when you're trying to keep a compact travel bag. PGRODE Mini Travel Makeup Brushes provide smaller tools designed for convenient cosmetic application while traveling. Their reduced size makes them easier to store alongside other personal care essentials without filling an entire pouch. Place the brushes in a protective case or makeup bag, carry only the pieces you need, and keep your beauty routine organized without bringing a bulky collection from home. Number 4. Hand Pop Travel Wet Wipes. Sticky hands, unexpected spills, and quick cleanups can become annoying when you're away from a sink. Hand Pop Travel Wet Wipes provide a convenient way to handle everyday messes while traveling. Their portable format makes them easy to keep inside a handbag, backpack, car, or carry-on without taking up much room. Pull out a wipe whenever a quick cleanup is needed, then dispose of it appropriately, giving you a simple solution for freshening up during flights, road trips, and outdoor activities. Number 5. Quatish Foldable Travel Hangers. Hotel closets don't always provide enough suitable hangers, and delicate clothing can end up folded or packed awkwardly. Quatish Foldable Travel Hangers provide a compact way to keep garments organized away from home. Their collapsible structure allows them to take up less space inside luggage when they're not being used. Pack the hangers flat, unfold them when you arrive, and use them for suitable clothing, helping keep shirts, dresses, and other garments organized during your stay. Number 6. UVC Travel Toothbrush Sanitizer. A toothbrush spends most of its time inside a damp environment, which can make keeping it clean while traveling more challenging. UVC Travel Toothbrush Sanitizer is designed to provide a dedicated storage and sanitizing solution for compatible toothbrushes. Its compact construction makes it suitable for travel bags, where hygiene and space both matter. Place the toothbrush inside according to the manufacturer's instructions, activate the sanitizing cycle, and allow the process to finish before storing the device for your next trip. Number 7. Navona Folding Travel Toothbrushes. A traditional toothbrush can take up awkward space inside a toiletry bag, especially when you're packing light. Navona Folding Travel Toothbrushes provide a compact design that folds down for easier transportation. The folding format helps protect the brush head while reducing the overall footprint inside your luggage. Fold the toothbrush after use once it's appropriately cleaned and dried. Place it inside your toiletry kit and keep a familiar dental essential ready, without carrying a full-length handle. Number 8. AIMAIAIMAI Silicone Travel Soap Case. Carrying a bar of soap while traveling can become messy when moisture collects inside a rigid container. AIMAIAIMAI Silicone Travel Soap Case provides a flexible storage option for suitable soap bars during trips. Its travel-oriented format helps keep the soap contained while taking up minimal room in a toiletry bag. Place the appropriately sized soap inside, close the case securely, and keep it separated from clothing and other belongings to make bathroom essentials easier to transport. Number 9. FOMIN Travel Soap Sheets. Carrying liquid soap or a full bar isn't always convenient when you're trying to keep your travel kit lightweight. FOMIN Travel Soap Sheets provide individually portioned soap for convenient hand washing away from home. Their slim format can fit into small pockets, toiletry bags, and travel organizers without adding much bulk. Take a sheet when needed, add it to water, and wash as directed, giving you a compact personal care option for flights, camping trips, public facilities, and other journeys. Number 10. HandFan Portable Misting Fan. Hot travel days can become uncomfortable when you're waiting outdoors, exploring crowded areas, or sitting somewhere without reliable airflow. HandFan Portable Misting Fan combines personal airflow with a fine misting function for a refreshing travel experience. Its handheld design makes it easy to carry between locations without bringing bulky cooling equipment. Fill the reservoir as directed, activate the appropriate mode, and aim the airflow toward yourself, creating a convenient cooling companion for warm weather trips and outdoor adventures.
At number 11, we have the LitBear Travel Makeup Mirror. This compact, rechargeable mirror is a traveler's dream, featuring 56 bright LED lights for reliable, detailed lighting anywhere. There are 3 color modes: cool, natural, and warm, all fully dimmable with a simple touch to match any environment. One side offers a regular view, while the other has a powerful 10x magnification, perfect for precise work like eyeliner or brows. It's incredibly versatile, too. Use it handheld, prop it up on a table, or hang it on a hook for hands-free convenience. The included storage bag protects it in your luggage, and the long-lasting 1500 mAh battery charges via USB-C, ready for any trip. The pros: excellent adjustable lighting, clear 10x magnification, and unbeatable portability with long battery life. The cons? The handle can feel a bit flimsy, and the square shape might not be for everyone, but the pros definitely outweigh the cons.
At number 12, we have the Zannaki Waterproof Travel Pill Organizer. Built with a strong aluminum alloy body, this case is far more durable than flimsy plastic organizers. It features 7 large, roomy compartments, each able to hold multiple fish oil capsules or vitamins. Thanks to rubber O-rings, it's completely waterproof and airtight, keeping your medication safe and dry. The modular swing locking system prevents accidental openings or spills, so you can trust it won't pop open. Its detachable, modular design is perfect for travel, camping, or daily use. It fits easily in a purse, backpack, or pocket. The pros? Its strong construction, excellent waterproof seals, large capacity, and secure portable design. The cons? It can feel a bit bulky, the metal may show scratches over time, and it's pricier than basic plastic organizers.
At number 13, we have the MZOO 3D Travel Sleep Mask. Engineered for comfort, it uses soft, breathable air hole memory foam that stays cool and comfortable. Its patented 13-meter deep cup design creates complete space for natural blinking, ensuring zero pressure on your eyes. The unique 15-degree curved thin sides eliminate temple pressure, making it perfect for side sleepers. Deep nose padding and a contoured fit work together to deliver superior 100% light blocking for uninterrupted rest. And the adjustable strap, from 19 to 28 inches, won't snag your hair and stays securely in place. It's your perfect companion for comfortable sleep anywhere, anytime, on planes, in hotels, or during night shifts. While it may feel warm in very hot environments and isn't as minimalist as flat masks, its superior comfort and blackout make it a top choice for travelers and side sleepers.
At number 14, we have the napfun Memory Foam Travel Neck Pillow. It delivers 360-degree ergonomic support with high-density pure memory foam that contours to your neck, preventing head drop on long trips. Its raised lobe design and strong chin support cradle the shoulders and neck, while the heat-responsive foam adapts quickly for personalized comfort. An adjustable drawstring ensures a custom snug fit, and the soft, removable, washable cover keeps it fresh. It compresses into a compact travel pouch for easy packing. And optional kits include a sleep mask and earplugs for complete rest. The pros: outstanding support, quick recovery memory foam, an adjustable fit, and a machine washable cover. It's also very compact when packed. The cons: the storage bag can be fragile. It may feel firm at first, and it's bulkier than inflatable options when expanded.
At number 15, we have the EverSnug Travel Blanket and Pillow. This clever 2-in-1 set is an ultra-soft micro-plush blanket. A generous 65 by 40 inches, perfect for all-season coziness. But it also packs compactly into its own soft carrying case, which doubles as a comfortable portable pillow. A built-in luggage sleeve and an included carabiner let you attach it easily to any bag, so it's always ready to go. It's the ideal companion for planes, cars, or camping, where those thin airline blankets just won't do. It's extremely soft, warm, yet lightweight, and it's even machine washable. The true dual-purpose design saves crucial space. Just note that pillow firmness depends on how you pack it, and color options may vary. Overall, a smart buy for any traveler.
At number 16, we have the faux leather luggage tags. These tags offer a stylish, practical way to identify your bags quickly on busy carousels. Made from durable synthetic leather, they include an ID window, a secure adjustable buckle, and a privacy flap on many versions. Compact and lightweight, they fit suitcases, backpacks, and duffels, adding visibility without the weight or cost of genuine leather. The attractive leather-like appearance stands out. They're easy to attach and often sold in value multi-packs. However, the faux material can wear or scuff over heavy use, and they are less rugged than silicone or metal alternatives. A refined and practical choice for the frequent traveler.
At number 17, we have the Quatish Portable Travel Utensils. This is a sleek, 5-piece stainless steel set designed for reusable dining on the go. It's the perfect solution when disposable utensils are a hassle. Crafted from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel, it's built to resist rust and last, making it a durable and eco-friendly choice. The upgraded case features elastic bands to keep everything in place, so there's no rattling while you're on the move. Genius. Plus, the chopsticks have anti-slip etching for a better grip, and the knife is sharp enough for most meals. It's durable, compact, and easy to clean. However, the case is plastic, and the chopsticks might not be for everyone. But for a reliable, reusable travel set, the Quatish utensils are a solid pick for your next adventure.
At number 18, we have the Muslish silicone travel bottles. This is a 21-piece TSA-approved set. It includes 4 TSA-compliant 3-Oz bottles, cream jars, toothbrush covers, spray and pump bottles, spatulas, a funnel, labels, and a clear toiletry bag. Made from BPA-free food-grade silicone, they are flexible and squeezable, letting you get every last drop out. The key feature is the excellent multi-layer leak-proof seal with a drip-free valve, designed to prevent any spills in your luggage. Perfect for carry-on luggage, they maximize space and can even pack flat, making them a must for any trip. However, the full 21-piece set can feel bulky if you only need a few bottles. And while the seal is excellent, some users report occasional minor leaks if not fully closed, and the labels may need careful application.
At number 19, we have the BAGAIL packing cubes. These durable multi-size organizers create separate compartments inside your luggage for all your clothing and accessories. Made from premium fabric with smooth zippers, they help categorize items like shirts, pants, and underwear, keeping everything neat and secure. Many versions offer compression zippers that can flatten the cubes, saving you up to 30-50% more suitcase space. Pros include strong fabric, reliable zippers, mesh tops for easy identification, compression options, and machine-washable materials. Cons. Compression can take practice to avoid snags. Non-compression versions save less space, and they may add slight weight.
At number 20, we have the MATEIN Travel Cable Organizer Bag. This double-layer, water-resistant pouch measures roughly 10.5 by 7.75 by 3.5 inches, designed to tame all your tangled cables and small gadgets. Starting with the first layer, the lid features multiple elastic bands and mesh pockets, perfect for quick-access items like charging cables and earbuds. The second layer is where the real customization happens, with 3 removable padded dividers to create your perfect layout. It's built to protect. The shockproof padded foam and waterproof exterior shield your gear from scratches, dust, and minor impacts. Despite its protective build, it's compact and features a sturdy handle, making it easy to carry in a backpack or luggage. The pros: a highly organized double-layer design that's both water-resistant and shockproof, offering a compact yet spacious solution for most tech. It's durable, with smooth zippers and a solid handle. However, the cons are it can feel slightly bulky for ultra-minimalist packers. The elastic bands may stretch over heavy, long-term use, and it's not ideal for very large tablets. A great, organized option for most travelers.
At number 21, we have the Mrsdry TSA travel bottles. These BPA-free silicone bottles feature a reliable 3-layer leak-proof seal designed to prevent any unwanted spills in your luggage. The flexible silicone body and no-drip valve help you get every last drop, minimizing waste. At 3 ounces, they're perfectly sized for airline carry-on compliance, making them ideal for your next trip. The wide mouth simplifies filling and cleaning, even with thicker liquids like lotion or conditioner. However, their capacity is best suited for short trips, and you may need to seal them carefully for very thin liquids. Overall, the Mrsdry travel bottles are a durable, eco-friendly, and convenient solution for your travel toiletry needs.